What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video, and today I will try to recreate the look Scott Barnes did on Tati. And the first time I saw this video, I was like, I've been seeing people trying to recreate this video, so I just decided to go ahead and do my own at the same time. I hope you all sit tight and enjoy this video because I am very excited to try this out. And without wasting time, let's get into this video.
This is a fantastic palette to work with. I always start with contouring. I always start with the dark and then I add the light. It's not about contouring on top of makeup. Sometimes it is, but not usually. So I'm gonna treat you as though we were doing like
he said
a video.
He like to start with contour, but in this video he's starting with the highlights. So we just look for, I'm looking for a very light shade of my, I don't have all the products he's using in this video, but I will try to use my own products to recreate the exact look I am seeing here, so you guys can know that you can actually achieve a flawless look with any kind of product you have, big drugstore or high-end makeup. Watch my videos, you know that I love using elegant products, so I'm using one of the concealers in the shade medium beige. So that's what I'll be using to highlight my face. Since it didn't apply primer, so my face is already moisturized, I'll just go ahead and start with highlighting.
Cat paw.
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Little tree in right underneath your nose.
It's a happy concealer.
A happy concealer. And there's a small little... I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. Sometimes you see really bad nose contour and it looks like they're behind bars. Okay, cut the brush. Let's talk about...
Okay. I don't have the same brush he used, but I'll be using this brush that looks similar, and I'll be patting this concealer into my skin. Like, I'll just pat it. Just blend. Just blend till you get tired of blending. This upward. Can you see that even without contouring my nose, it looks like my nose is looking snatched already? Okay, I'm doing this here too. Going in with the contour now. Oh my god. So
contouring. Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently, like that.
Ooh.
She's there, but she's blended.
When did you discover that technique? Like, really, no one.
okay, so we just go ahead and place it here. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay.
Oh, the person bringing it over here. Right? So the director is like, where's the light? And then depending on...
Something that I'm noticing is that
Okay, so he's okay, so I have to bring it over here. Yes. think I'm getting it. Oh my god, this is looking so different from what I normally do, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, all right. For my nose contour, so I have this small brush, and I'll take my time and use this to contour my nose. And I'll do this the other side. My hands are shaking. Okay, all right. So it's also going ahead to overline the lips, and I'll be doing the same thing. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Concealer to do that. As you can see, my lips are looking very full. Wow. Okay.
Live performance.
At a woman's face, and I'm like, okay, how to make you look
Okay.
perfect.
So he's going in with a foundation. So I'll be using my foundation, Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Honey. I'll be using this fluffy brush to apply foundation, and I noticed that he's actually blending the foundation in between the contour and the highlight. So I will just be tapping my foundation in between both of them. Okay, can you see it's actually coming together at the same time? It's not overshadowing the contour, and okay, that's actually nice.
Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently, like that.
All
She's
right.
there, but she's blended.
Wow, I'm
When
impressed.
did you discover that technique?
I
Like,
am
really, no one
impressed.
else
Oh my
does that.
God.
It's,
Where you just do the
You can
contour.
see the line. You can see how everything is mixing up together in a good way. I love that.
Under, and then you do
it's painting.
everything like
Listen, I worked with light and dark painting. You've got this white hand.
Oh my god, we're putting those away. I need to spray tan. Oh my god.
But if you don't have time for a spray tan, you can always use body bling.
Oh, tell me more. What's that?
Stop it.
Scott's like the first one to do full on body glowy makeup. And
Yes.
I read an article, I want to say in Allure, of you like putting it all in a blender and
That's correct.
painting bodies before they would walk down the red carpet. And I remember looking at like my Wet n Wild like little pigments and thinking like, well maybe
Maybe I could do this. Put it all in a blender.
maybe it'll work out. But I was probably one of your first customers because
That's
I
super
bought
cool.
body bling way back.
Even though you have to blend and blend and blend for a long time to make sure everything is looking okay, but at the same time, I love how everything is coming together, and I don't feel like I have so much product on my face, even though I know I've applied a lot. So the key to this is just blend, like blend till you drop. Keep blending. Wow, this is so nice. It's looking cool, and my skin is shiny. Oh my god. Okay, I'm loving this. Seriously, I am loving this. My skin is looking like glass. My skin is looking so good. Oh my god.
No one can do that. No one, that can't be replicated. I love cream.
Blush. It's actually using a cream blush, and I don't have a cream blush, so I'll be going ahead to use my pink lipstick in place of the cream blush, and let's see if that.
I think that cream works primarily better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. And we want you to look like a baby.
Okay, so I'll be patting I'll start patting it on my cheek. As you can see, I used my pink lipstick, so I'll just try to patch that on my, okay.
Baby face. So
Baby
baby
face.
face is in here.
That is the one thing that I've noticed, and I
Placement?
will like try to copy you. Like you do this
Now
thing with your
I
blush brush.
see there's actually a difference. There's actually a difference. Oh my god. I never knew this was a thing at all. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, I think this is enough. It's looking so natural. Oh,
When you
using a
do
lighter
powders, and I was
concealer,
talking about it with
just,
your
under the
brush
eye.
specifically.
So I'll just
These.
go back
Yeah, where you
in
almost
a very
like
light
take it, you
shade.
don't pull so much, but you do this thing where you like
Eyes.
fluff it almost
I
up.
flick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going to make
And I
it
try to do that. Sometimes I get blush on my nose. I'm like, damn.
I just came out with a foundation brush. It's amazing.
What is this best for? What kind of foundation?
Cream foundation,
Cream
like what we
foundation.
did here, yeah.
Okay, so this would be a good one to do even like the body, maybe.
Face, everything.
Face, everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why stop at the body when you can do your face?
I'm using this brush.
And I'm gonna show you. Like I love, and the reason why I waited for this is because this is a dry brush. What I'm doing here is just marrying everybody together. My favorite thing is when you watch newscasters and they're
I'm using this small brush to fill in the concealer. So as you can see, I'm just patting it under my eyes. Time to blend the nose contour, and I'm just contemplating between using this brush and this brush. So in case you see me switching, I will just try it. Anyone that works, I'll just go ahead with that one. So I'll just be pressing this into the skin. I'm not going to move it up, and I'll just be pressing it down into the skin. Okay. So guys, can you see how my nose is looking snatched? So the next thing I'm going to do is to blend it out. I'll just go ahead and blend everything together. I'll just go ahead and blend everything down, blend it together. Use my beauty blender to blend everything in to make it look matte a bit. So I am not adding any extra products. I'm just trying to blend everything seamlessly.
neck and their face are in 2 different zip codes. You're like, whoa. And then they blink their eyes and the lid's white. Okay,
And powder to set my face and set everything in place.
powder.
So what powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. And what that does is cancels out any kind of like little bluey purpley.
It's a highlight palette, and like I said before, I don't have any products using, so I'm just using what I have. And these are mostly these are all drugstore products. You can easily buy them. So I'll just be going in with these two. Oh, okay, okay. Can you see that?
Stuff underneath the eye.
Ooh, is that highlight?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not
Do you know
going
Glow
brown,
Getter?
I'm going
Private
with my
Society?
Oh, they actually had sent me some stuff, and they're like an indie brand with a lot of cool products, actually.
I use it
That means I can
a lot
actually do
for
my makeup
highlighters.
and go out without doing
Love
my
that.
brows.
Purr in mouth. You got a purr in mouth right
This is a
there.
lip gloss by the
I am feeling the glow.
nude.
This
You
is
don't know
insane.
these, right?
Good to
No,
collect.
I get to
don't.
show you something that
Yeah.
you don't know about. Yay!
Okay, show me.
Okay, these are Victoria Duke. These are my friend. You're gonna love the name of this. Her name is Hottie.
Oh,
'Cause
rhymes with Tati.
Tati the Hottie.
I'm so cheesy.
Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out into the edge.
Oh, this is like makeup choreography. 1 and 2 and out and to the edge.
I'm gonna use something on you today.
Okay.
These are my new palette that I'm putting together. I'm coming out with the palette.
Is this secret sauce or can
This is secret.
This is the secret sauce. I can't show this, but you're gonna see it on my face first.
Correct.
When is this happening?
As we speak.
Well, I know that you put a lot of development into your brushes, and
It
it takes time to do it right. So
Yeah, I'm not just like slapping my name on something. This is Sarah Artistry. I use these for brows, believe it or not.
Okay, right now I will go ahead and do my brows and do the eyes.
That's a nice
Because
color.
I think this video is already too long. So for the eyes, I think he was making like an arc, just like a round shape on the eyes. So I'll just go ahead and do the same thing.
Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a lighter beigeier color, just going right underneath the eye.
I'm just so like amazed. This, I do my makeup one way, and then when you have somebody else
I'm just
do
going with a dark
their whole
shade.
thing, it's pretty wild.
Now, this is another color of mine. I mean, it's fun to play with color, and this is the kind of color that is not offensive.
It still has this nice luxurious feeling to it where it's not
So I'll just do the same
taking
thing
away
on
from
this
your
one.
own
Yes.
natural beauty, but it's definitely colorful, I'm ready for my music video. I should probably get some music together first. What do you think is a trend that should stop?
That wavy eyebrow thing, I hated that. And I hate the ombre eyebrow.
Oh,
That-
where it's like darker at the...
Yeah, I just
okay.
like can't stand that. It's like nobody looks like that. It's abnormal. Now I've been saving the best for last here. I have this really cool mascara. We just put it up
Okay.
and it's around here somewhere. There it is.
I already stole it.
I know, you took
have
it already.
my Tati pile of makeup.
she keeps moving things over this way. I'm like, why is everything over there now?
The packaging is
So I'm just
beautiful.
going
This is
in
the...
with a bronzy shade. To the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this look. If possible, rate this look over 10. I will be happy to see what you guys think and how I did, whether I tried or not. Honestly, I didn't think this thing was going to end up like this. I was thinking I was going to look ashy and muddy, but I'm quite impressed with the outcome of this look. And this technique is okay, it's very nice, but it takes more time because you have to do a lot of blending. And if you don't know how to blend, and if you don't have time to blend, then just keep this look. You don't have to do this. So this should not be like my everyday kind of routine to do my makeup, but I think once in a while when I want to go for a deep a more defined contour and highlight on my face, I will go ahead and do this particular technique on my face. So guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share this video.